Subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell icon for the latest film interviews, features, and recommendations on the movies that matter.
Ladies, good to see you. It's always so good to see you.
Hi!
Hello. You know, I'm so happy to see sort of upbeat, happy, smiling faces at a time like this. How are you all holding up? These are hard times. Hard times because we're not familiar. We don't know how to negotiate our lives and what to do. Of course,
Right.
you know, we have to acknowledge that we're in a much better position than so many others. We have a roof over our heads. We have food on the table. The food that we're cooking ourselves, but we have it. So I want to ask you, and still it takes getting used to. So tell me how y'all are holding up. Tell me how it's been the last couple of weeks have been.
Fatima, you go first. पहले तुम.
पहले तुम. Honestly, I'm feeling fine and comfortable because I'm used to staying back at home. So it's nothing out of the usual for myself. But yes, initially there was actually when it all started, मुझे लगा था कि यहाँ पे नहीं होगा. You know, it's something that you feel that हाँ वहाँ पे हो रहा होगा, यहाँ पे थोड़ी ना होगा. या किसी और के घर पे होगा, हमारे घर पे नहीं होगा. But suddenly and so quickly that changed that it was not our problem and now suddenly it has become everybody's problem. It's become a global problem. So it's a huge thing and we are going to survive this, I'm sure. But मतलब हम अपने बच्चों को हमारे पास अपने बच्चों को बोलने के लिए बहुत सारी चीजें हुई. हम लोगों ने देखो क्या क्या सर्वाइव किया है. But yeah, it's like you said, we are really fortunate and I'm really happy to be in this position where I have roof over my head, I have food, and sometimes it's really disheartening when I read news and you know you hear these stories of migrants walking miles and miles just to get home, and even then they don't reach home. So it's and how fear has changed people and how fear has made people become angry and you know hurtful to other people by attacking them because of their professions. So more than the virus, I think it's the people I am more fearful about and what is going to happen to people when things go out of hand. Imagine like if everything goes wrong and it's not the virus we are going to be fearful of, it's the people because it's going to be man meet man world.
Correct.
Right.
So, otherwise, I'm doing fine.
बाकी सब सही है.
बाकी सब सही है. Sanya, what about you? What about you?
Apart from being grateful that I have a roof, I have food, I have this constant supply of electricity, I have internet, I can talk to my parents whenever I want to. First, I would say that first 4 days were really tough for me because I'm living alone. I'm with my cat. She's here in the frame.
Yeah. Little Leila, isn't that Leila?
Yeah, Fatty got me. I adopted her from one of her friends. So I'm spending time with my quarantine companion here. But I really miss my parents and I decided to stay back. I had an option to go back to Delhi, but then obviously it was very risky and I decided not to. So it's a roller coaster ride. And what day it is? I don't even remember the day.
You know the joke, right? The meme is it's this day, that day. You know, it's the day before this day.
Exactly. So I have no idea, but it's a roller coaster ride. Some days I feel very positive, and I wake up and I feel like this will pass and it will all be fine. And some days I feel I really miss my parents, I really miss my family, and I feel because there's so much information out there. First of all, there's information and there's news everywhere. Like there's information on social media, there's information on news. So I think that's making me overwhelmed. Like it's very overwhelming of sorts. But I'm doing fine. I am too busy doing jhadu pocha, katka, bartan, khana banana, which is good. I'm so happy because it takes up a lot of time, and I don't have time to like sit and really worry about things. Like I'm just hoping that this gets fine soon.
Right. Fatima, I know that your family is with you. You're with family, aren't you? What you know, is that just comforting? Do you normally do you live with family or are they visiting? Are you? I mean, what is the situation?
So I live in the same building as my family. So I have my own apartment, but So right now my brother, he's just creeped into my house. very conveniently.
Right.
So, but yeah, I have support. I have emotional support. I have family support, and I'm very grateful.
Yeah.
I am somebody, in spite of living in the same building as my parents, I sometimes don't see them for months because
Correct.
I'm a recluse. I stay
Right.
in my room, and I don't even feel the need to connect with people. Like sometimes I message Sanya after months, and I
Right.
give her a lot of love. Like, I'm sorry, I love you so much. But that's how I am.
Right.
But this.
Yeah, social distancing is our middle name. Actually.
Listen, Sanya,
Yeah,
I have to say, we tried to call you yesterday. We've been trying and at one point, both Fatima and I got worried because there was like one tick and we're like, what is this? And then Fatima said, I will figure out. And I was like, thank you, please. Because, I mean, like at a time like this, putting off your phone and you just switched your phone off.
Yeah, I just wanted to be away from social media, and I think I'll do that now. I was planning this a day without social media and phone. It was lovely. I think
Okay.
I would recommend this to everyone. Do that. Like, keep your phone away for a day. It just feels very refreshing, yeah. And it's so
But that's
also,
because
like,
you have, listen, that's because you have dancing, yeah? I mean, you have something that kind of, that keeps you sort of occupied and engaged. For the rest of us, I mean, what am I going to do? What are we going to do without our phones, yeah?
or we can do a Skype call and I can teach you guys how to dance.
That's a good idea.
That may not be. I'm just going to be the spectator. I'm just going to be the spectator. No one in the world wants to watch me dance.
I want to watch you dance.
Yeah, even I want to watch you
I guess
dance.
everyone wants a laugh in these times, so I get what you're saying. But what are your Fatima? What are you doing? I noticed that there's a little bit of photography happening. I've seen that you picked up the camera, and is this, has this time allowed you to sort of brush up on skills that you always wanted to learn but didn't have the time to do?
Yeah, I think just going back to what I wanted to do, I used to love to draw, and I stopped drawing. So I just go back to YouTube
Nice.
tutorials, and I started practicing a bit. कभी कैमरा देख लिया, कुछ कर लिया, कुछ ना कुछ मतलब खोजते ही करने के लिए कुछ पढ़ लिया. But
Right.
I think right now the most valuable thing that is happening in my life is the conversations I'm having with people, assuming that what if this would be the end of it, and that
Right.
it is making me realize how precious every relationship is and how everything else is tangible. Sometimes we get so caught up in our profession. I do. Like,
Yeah.
that is the only thing I'm thinking about. Oh shit, I don't have this work, I don't have that. Other people are doing this and I'm not even doing that. And then suddenly, you're like, oh, wait, that is not important. What you have
Right.
is enough. So it's a good, a good moment to reflect on
Yeah.
our own selves.
Yeah.
I agree.
Tanya, are there sort of skills that I mean, I know the dancing. You're not learning dancing. You're an expert dancer. But are there skills that you want to learn during this period?
Yeah, taking naps. I'm not good at taking naps, to be honest. I think, and it's very important because we shoot like more than 12 to 13 hours a day. So
Correct.
I'm learning this art of taking naps whenever I want to. I'm just kidding. But yeah, I'm doing a couple of things. I'm keeping myself busy. I have joined a master class online by RuPaul.
Oh wow!
RuPaul. yeah. It's an amazing one, Fatty. Do check it out. It's on self-love. It's cheesy, but I don't know. I thought that I should do something.
Wow.
So I'm doing that.
Can I
and
just
also
jump in
read.
here and say something? A total aside. This is the first call where this is the first time I'm on a call where someone's calling someone fatty, and that's not me.
Oh God.
But that's just yeah.
I'm
That was
sorry.
just, no.
Yeah. So I call her Fatty. Actually, everyone
Of
calls
course.
her Fatty.
I know. Yeah.
Fats or
I
Fatty.
mean, if she actually was a fatty, it would be awkward to call her that. But people don't have any such politeness problems where I'm concerned. They just say it anyway. So the RuPaul masterclass.
So yeah, and some days I do a lot of things. I keep myself busy, and some days I just want to be a slug and not do anything because at the end of the day, it's a pandemic and it's a very serious situation. It's okay to not do and not be productive at times. I've realized that. So,
right.
So
What
I'm
are you
just
all
like-
watching? Are both of you watching stuff? I mean, this is also a time to catch up on. I mean, it's an opportunity. Is there what would you recommend? Everyone is looking for suggestions. What have you watched that was good?
I have recently watched the platform on Netflix, Spanish humor. It is outstanding. I've really enjoyed it, horror/thriller. It's something I'm recommending to everyone. Then there is this show Euphoria on Hotstar.
Yeah.
Oh, amazing.
I have really enjoyed these two things a lot. So I think I want people to watch these two things especially.
Okay. Sanya, have you seen anything good?
I'm actually rewatching a lot of movies. And I'm also watching a lot of Friends. I just want to watch something very light-hearted, and I don't want to like go into all those serious stuff. I recently saw In the Mood for Love. Oh my God. I'm sorry, I'm late to the party.
Yeah.
But Fatty, you should watch it. It's amazing. It's the best film. It's beautiful.
It's so poetic. Yeah. It is really art on screen. Yeah.
Yeah, it's an amazing one. So I recently watched that, and I just don't want to watch anything else. I just want to like be with that movie for some time. So yeah, that's what I'm doing.
Well, another tip, and if you love, if you want to watch another good Wong Kar-wai film, Chungking Express is also beautiful. It's really, really good.
Okay.
Yeah.
Write it down and message me. Huh? Wait.
This is hilarious.
I haven't.
Watch
the right person, Rajiv. You should recommend us what to watch.
You know, I mean, In the Mood for Love.
Yeah.
And Chungking Express. Both by Wong Kar-wai. And then, maybe you can just discover more films by Wong Kar-wai. I mean, I even love the ones that a lot of people don't love. I mean, there's a film called My Blueberry Nights, which has Jude Law, and it's also really quite beautiful. Again, it's what you said. It's art on screen. It's poetry on screen. But you know what? Just watch some of the other interviews. Nitish, your Dangal director, gave us a lot of really good recommendations.
Yeah,
so
he's
he's been recommending quite a few as well. Yeah. Do you guys miss work? Is there a part of you that is anxious about when are we going to go back, and when am I going to go back to set? Because I know that y'all are in the middle of completing films. I know that films have been completed, and those releases are ahead of you as well. Is there an anxiety, or are you able to sort of block all that out and say, that's not important right now?
With me, I have been able to block that out. I think once everything resumes, I'll get back to it, and we'll see what happens. Thankfully, मेरी सारी फिल्में बन चुकी है. Even Suraj for Mangal Bhari, it got done literally at 12 o'clock, and next day we had our quarantine. This thing all started.
Wow.
So मेरी फिल्में complete हो गई, but of course there is a little concern of what is going to happen, because मतलब अभी तो पहले बंद होगा, फिर बाद में थिएटर्स लोग जाएंगे कि नहीं जाएंगे पता नहीं, फिर बाद में लोग काम करेंगे कि नहीं. It takes time to set up a project. Everything's going to get pushed. So right now that is not my concern. I think right now I just want things to settle down, people to be fine, and that's what I feel.
Yeah, same here. I'm not anxious about getting back to work. That will happen for sure. And our films are like, I don't know, मतलब I'm 100% sure कि हमारी फिल्में आएंगी तो लोग जाके देखेंगे, because that would like take their mind off this pandemic. Correct. So I just want this thing to get fine as soon as possible, and films we can resume like after it. So I'm not worried or anxious about not working right now. Yeah, there's so much to watch actually. I think internet, though I'm trying to be away from it for some time, but It's a great platform. Whether it's Instagram, YouTube, everybody is getting, like everybody is making something on TikTok, on Instagram nowadays. We have so much to consume as audience.
Correct. And for those who need the connection, those unlike you who are not happy to just go under a quilt and kind of hide themselves from the world. Those that need connection, it's a great, it's an ability to stay connected virtually, even if you can't actually, touch and feel somebody.
Right.
I want to ask you at the end, both of you, do you feel like this experience, what we're going through now, is going to sort of change us fundamentally when we come out of this, as long as that takes, when the world normalizes again, whatever normal is going to mean? Do you feel like we're going to come out very different from this experience?
I think not really. I think
Yeah.
as humans, we always mold ourselves and we don't even realize that we are changing. We can only say that change has happened after generations. कि shit,
Right.
now मतलब उस जमाने में ऐसा हुआ करता था और अब देखो कितना अलग है. But जब वो दौर हो रहा था, जब वो गुजर रहे थे लोग, तभी उनको पता नहीं था that they were part of a change. So I think लोगों को मतलब people are going to be relieved that this is over, but subconsciously things are going to change, I'm sure. But it's not going to be like a in your face sort of a change.
Right, a drastic change. Right.
And also,
Yeah.
ऐसा नहीं है हम लोग बाहर जाके जंग लड़ रहे हैं, बाहर चीजें टूट फूट रही है या कुछ, वो सब नहीं है. हम लोग अब हमारे घर में बैठे, जो लेस फॉर्चुनेट है, दे आर सफरिंग, बट मतलब a lot of people are just staying at home and there is this this haunting quietness everywhere else. But apart from that, I don't, there's ऐसा कुछ नहीं हुआ है. It's still, we are still alive and we are still, things are functioning.
Correct.
It's a good break for Mother Earth.
Yeah.
It's a good break for Mother Earth.
Right.
Yeah, exactly.
Right. Correct.
It's a break
And
for
you
her.
can see the environment, and you can see the environment thriving, right? You can see the climate, you can see wildlife, you can see the environment really thriving. That's so true. Sanya,
And it's so amazing that how quickly Earth heals, how quickly it's healing itself. It's outstanding.
Yeah. I'm just hoping that we don't go back and start taking things for granted again.
Right.
That will happen for sure. Like, we'll be like, oh my God, we are so grateful we are out and everything is normal now. But again, within like 3-4 days, we'll be back at it. Because I think I don't know.
Yeah, no, as humans, we have that tendency to kind of, yeah.
Yeah, to take things for granted, for whether it's nature or the resources that you have. I think the one thing that I have learned from this lockdown is sustainability. Like, whether it's the food that I have or the water that I have, I am finding hacks to how to use less water when I'm cleaning my utensils. So I just want to keep this learning even after the lockdown is over. Like, I don't want to take things and the resources and the nature for granted.
Correct.
So it's a major lesson, and I'm just hoping that people will keep this in mind and come out of it.
Sorry, बहुत आवाज आ रही है, पता नहीं क्यों.
Someone lives in a lovely home with lots of breeze coming in clearly, and that is not me. Lovely. But it's one of the correct. I'm looking forward to. I'm really hoping that we come out sort of more compassionate. I hope that we're all we come out a little bit more sensitive towards each other, towards the environment. And I'm looking forward to meeting you guys in person. The next time. The internet is lovely and it's nice to have the Skype chat, but there is nothing really quite like the warm embrace of friendship and the meeting someone face to face. So the next time, hopefully in person. If this continues too long, Sanya, that dance class may really be something we might hook you up on.
I think you should do it. You should do a live dance class, and you are going to be.
Yeah, actually, I was planning to. Like a dance party, not a class, but a dance party online.
Nice.
Like that I can play music
if there are
and
no rules, and if no one's judging, I might participate. Like how they say dance like no one's watching. If no one's watching, I might do it.
Your voice is breaking. Hello?
You know how they say dance like no one's watching? If no one's watching, I might do it.
I can't.
Oh dear. But we're losing Sanya, but at least it happened right at the end. I'm looking forward to seeing you all in person. Thank you so much for this. Always a pleasure looking at chatting with you.
I have a question for you.
Please go for it.
I love your actors roundtable. I just wanted to ask, what is the procedure to be a part of it?
You guys are such lovely, promising actors. It's on the cards. I'm sure it's on the cards. I cannot wait to see what you'll do this year. End of this year. Who knows? Yeah, I can't wait. I absolutely can't wait to host Chal on the Roundtable. Thank you.
Inshallah, inshallah.
Thank you.
I'm sure. Thank you so much for this. All the best. Stay strong. Stay healthy. Stay indoors. The next time we meet face to face. Thank you.
Yes. You too. Bye. Have fun.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you.